Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the phone is ready, so unlock it and confirm battery, signal, and microphone access. Once done, activate your voice assistant with its wake phrase or button. Say the exact contact name or number to reduce errors. Make sure the assistant language matches your pronunciation. Adjust in settings if needed. This step speeds the call process and avoids repeating commands, so you can move to the actual dialing without toggling menus or fumbling with the screen. Now give the core command. Say, for example, call Sarah on mobile or dial 555-1234. Speak naturally and pause briefly after the number so the assistant can parse digits correctly. Once the assistant repeats or shows what it heard, confirm with a quick yes or cancel and retry if it's wrong. If multiple numbers exist, add the label mobile, work, or home to disambiguate. This confirmation avoids accidental calls. When the call connects, control it hands-free by saying mute, speaker on, or end call, so you stay in control. If the assistant didn't place the call, repeat using the full number rather than the name. This often succeeds. If problems persist, restart the assistant app, check microphone permissions, and verify network or Wi-Fi. In rare cases, reboot the phone to refresh services. These steps fix most failures and get you back to a smooth, voice-driven calling flow quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.